Today, I'll walk you through how to load or open a PBIX file in Power by Service, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to access your PBIX files so you can start analyzing your data effectively. First, let's open your Power by dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. If you're familiar with the layout, you'll notice that it's designed to be user-friendly, making it easier to navigate through your projects. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Updates can change the appearance, but the core functions remain the same. Now let's move to the upper left corner of your screen. Here you'll see a button labeled File. Click on that. This is similar to opening a drawer in a filing cabinet. It gives you access to all your important documents. Once you've clicked on File, the next step is to select Import. From the drop-down menu, choose Power by Template. This option allows you to bring in your PBIX file seamlessly. Think of this step as selecting the right tool from your toolbox. It's essential to ensure you're using the correct method to load your data. After selecting Power by Template, you'll be prompted to browse your files. Click on Browse File, and a window will open, allowing you to navigate through your computer. Find the PBIX file you want to open and then click Open. This step is like picking a book from a shelf. You need to find the right one to continue your journey. Once you've clicked Open, Power by will begin transforming your data. This process may take a moment, so be patient. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Data transformation is crucial for ensuring your reports are accurate and insightful. And there you have it. You've successfully loaded your PBIX file into Power by Service. Now you can start exploring your data and creating insightful reports. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.